Alright, just like introduction, I'm gonna do a little review of my new TV and the surround sound system I just got. So just gonna turn this on right here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think the DVD is already on. Mm-hmm. Alright, turn it on. It's a pretty nice field, and we got a variety of options. Video, we got YouTube, Netflix. New software is updated. I'll update that later. Alright. Let me exit that. Okay. It's pretty nice. I got everything. Watch really YouTube, whole different things, right? Internet, radio, Facebook, going to Facebook on my phone, Skype, different things. I'm gonna show you this feature where I can play my iPod with the surround sound. Let's do this. Alright, so we're gonna put it on the dock. Alright. Alright. Alright, so maybe just like that. And now we're gonna check this out. Music. Here we go. Wait, let it recognize the iPod Rear. There you go. Unfortunately, I do have neighbors, so I won't try to blast the music. But I'll raise up so you get a pretty good idea how good it is. Hear that bass? Got different genres. I was gonna play some Tiger, but I'm gonna play a song that you already know. Sounds good on it. We got a couple speakers around the room. Those are just 3 here. Subwoofer right there. I will show you, but I'm not trying to do all that. It was pretty good. Yeah. Enjoying the luxuries of life. What money gets you. You hear the bass? When I'm low, you take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love.
Play that music.
Flower bomb. Let me get your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate.
So that's pretty nice. And surround sound came out with Harry Potter, Deathly Hallows Part 1 and 2, and I'm pretty hyped about that because I didn't get to see it in the movie theater, so I'm gonna pop that in right now. So it comes with the 3D. I'm gonna have to buy the glasses, a voucher, and the actual movie. So we're gonna pop that in. Alright. here it starts. Shh, it's movie time. Alright. Blah, 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 be like this, blah, blah, blah. You hear that? Speakers on every single wall of the room. So it's like you're in the movie theater. It's pretty nice. Now I want you guys to hear it. See? Graphics is great. I mean, the graphics the quality of on my iPad is not that great, but trust me, the quality of the TV is pretty awesome. Alright, now we're gonna play the movie. Now I want you guys to hear this. When I first heard it, I was like creeped out. It's loud as fuck. We're starting movie time. Listen to the critters.
These are dark times, there is no denying. Our world has perhaps faced no greater threat than it does today.
And that's how I'm spending the rest of my afternoon till I go to Atlanta. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.